No, you're good. Okay, so this is some of the bulk oil that they have, and it goes way back. There's a lot of these. These are 275-gallon totes filled with various grades of motor oil and antifreeze and all that kind of stuff. There's a better way to look at these trucks. We have 2 oil tanker trucks, Max. They've been serviced recently. Everything's up to speed. They're all running great. So let's look at this side of the warehouse. Those are drums of brake fluid, drums of antifreeze, drums of oil, whatever chemicals are in there. And then it goes back. All right, now just to show you, there's 2 rows right there before the other wall, so we're gonna go up this aisle way. Tell me again what we got on the shelves here.
We got air filters up on that shelf, and we got 6-gallon dispenser totes of oil all the way down there, and oil filters on the lower shelf.
Okay. Put a coat on. Oh. Got smart. These are oil filters.
Fuel and oil additives.
If you want, we can pull that truck out of here.
No, we're good. And on this side,
Quarts of oil.
quarts of oil. Pallets of quarts of oil. Oil stabilizers. Upper cylinder lubricant. Oil stop leak. Diesel exhaust fluid. Diesel fuel supplements. Just all these kind of stuff. And then,
These are empty.
oh, these are all empty drums? But then we still have stuff up above. What we got up here? Lubricants, oil, lubricants, all kinds of stuff like this. All right. We got a pallet of PB Blaster. Oh, this is their big box truck that we just went by. And it is just a big old box truck. They bought it only 4 or 5 months ago. And we'll get all the details on that. But on these shelves, what do we got on all these shelves?
Oil filters, cabin air filters, then regular air filters on the 3rd shelf up.
Okay. We got an electric picker to help get up and down in the racks. Behind that are light bulbs, all kinds of automotive light bulbs that we need. Again, I could walk all the way down there. And what do we got on these racks? Purolator transmission filter kits.
Transmission filter kits, wiper blades down there.
Wiper blades down at the other end. Lots and lots of wiper blades. Down below, motor oil. High mileage motor oil. Oh man, it just goes on and on and on. All right, let's go back to the other aisle.
You can go upstairs too if you want.
Yeah, we're gonna want to do that. What do we got over here?
Oh, these are
They're like washers.
Washers
for
for,
drain plugs and
these are PCV valves here.
Okay. And this final last rack. Everything on the left is, are they air filters?
Cabin filters.
Cabin filters. They were damaged in a leaky roof, so I don't know, but they're still, a lot of them are good. And what's on this side?
Oil filters on these 2 rows, then air filters the rest of the way up, all the way down.
All the way up and all the way down. Wow. Okay, let's go upstairs.